One of the new features of our new product release is Clearance Blend Spline for drilling strategies. This feature enables two contours to be linked with the new blend spline. We have prepared a sample that shows how this feature works. If we access the UI parameters and go to link, we can see that from link type we can choose Clearance Blend Spline. In this sample, we used pattern on mesh, position lines like so. Also, drill mesh is this part. And also, as Gauss check, we used the retract tool along tool axis. Calculating the sample will show the toolpath resulted. One of the main advantages of this feature is that in case of collision, the blend spline is extended in order to assure a smooth transition. Here we can see the toolpath resulted and the clearance blend spline links. Thank you for your attention.